What up, you guys? So today y'all tuning in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss, and today I'm bringing y'all something really special. Happy New Year's, by the way. So today I'm bringing in some Cornish hens. I love some little small Cornish hens. So today we're going to be deep frying them. I'm going to do some with flour and some without flour. So the seasons I got here are some onion powder, some Laird seasoned salt, parsley, black pepper, and garlic powder. So I'm going to first start off with season with a little Laird's. Size for these two, I'm going to pour in 3 eggs. So when that flour, when we bread it with the flour, it's going to stick nice and perfect to it. So stay tuned, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and put these in the fridge and let them marinate for 4 hours. Never had deep fried Cornish hens before, man. And these Cornish hens came out how I've been trying to get my chicken to come out for years. And now I don't understand how I got it to come out on a Cornish hen, but not on my chicken. But I'd like to thank you guys for tuning into this video today, checking out your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Happy New Year's. Thank you for tuning into this video today. Be sure to drop some comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you're new checking out my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.